Channel, and today we are in Rain Square. We came here for shopping.
Even market.
We came for eating some dinner, not dinner house. And it's Johnny.
Hey, give me
What should I give you, bro?
for phone.
For phone?
Yes.
What's for phone?
Bad.
Let's go see how they make it. Pretty pink? What's pretty pink?
What's pink?
Yo, that's pretty good. They're cooking. Cooking.
Hey, give it to me. Give it to me.
What's the food? Run! I was gonna say completely on my father. What the shit is it? No, I'm not giving mate. He's coming. Security got chase. Just kidding. Yo, see that? Another one? That's just super cool. So, see you guys tomorrow. Bye.